today I'm here to discuss on the topic, if I could design my own school. Designing your own school is just like a golden dream which only a few get chance to fulfill. But if I would be given a chance to design my own school, it would not be similar to any other XYZ school, but it would be like a dreamland, a place where everyone would love to explore learning, a place full of colors, a place where anyone doesn't require to submit any fee to learn or to gain knowledge. My school will not use traditional type based learning, but it will use VR technology or virtual technology based learning, in which the students will experience the same that they do in a 3D movie. They will just enter into the chapter and see the story by their own eyes, as it is scientifically proven that a student or a person easily learns what he sees than what he or she listens. So, isn't it the best way to learn? My school will not only teach the bookish knowledge but will also give the skill type based learning and will follow the Mahatma Gandhi's rule. As per him, the skill learning is much way better than the book learning, as the skill based learning will help them to easily get their jobs in the future and will give them a job securement. My school will not discriminate any child on the base of his or her caste, creed, gender, or color, but they will be as similar to all in front of me. In my school, there would be each and every type of activity, either it is drawing, crafting, football, basketball, horse riding, either swimming or gymnastics, because my school will prepare the future artists.